friends, in this tutorial we discuss about how to customize your Sketchup workspace. The first step, I delete this model. In the top you can see your title. These are various menus. Each menu have more options. Let's we discuss about in future videos. This normal tool set. I need a large tool set. So just in empty space, right click in your mouse. You can see various tools you already installed. These are default tools in Sketchup. Right now I am choosing large tool set. I don't want getting started tool set. And the main thing, go Windows, Preference. Here you can see in general option saving. So you can click both the options, create backup, auto save. These are very important. Just click OK. If you didn't see your default tray, you can choose this from Windows default tray, show or hide here. Okay. This is the final look of our customized SketchUp. If you need more tools, you can right click, choose from toolbars in this list or from view menu, toolbars, tools. Here all the tools you can choose it for your choice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.